Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by selecting their profile from your feed. Alternatively, use the search feature by tapping the magnifying glass icon and typing their username. Be sure to select users to narrow down your search. Once you locate the profile, tap on it to open it. On their profile, tap the Share button at the top of the screen. From the options that appear, select Block. Confirm your decision by tapping Block again in the pop-up window. And that's it! You successfully blocked someone on TikTok. They will no longer be able to view your profile, send messages, or interact with your content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.